In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord bots for automatic moderation. If you're running a community, automated moderation can save you time, reduce spam, and keep conversations on track without you constantly watching every channel. First, open Discord and look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different icons. Click the Discover section, the one with the small compass icon. Discover is Discord's built-in directory that highlights communities, tools, and integrations, so it's the quickest way to find trustworthy options without digging through random links. Inside Discover, click on Apps. This is the hub where Discord groups bots and integrations that can extend your server's features. Apps organizes everything so you can quickly compare capabilities, read descriptions, and see what each tool is built to do. From here, go to the Moderation and Tools category. This section filters the list to show you bots designed specifically for moderation tasks. You'll find options focused on automatic actions like detecting spam, filtering profanity, blocking suspicious links, limiting repeated messages, and even slowing down raids or bot floods. Each listing usually includes a summary of features, usage notes, and community feedback, which helps you understand what to expect. This is the ideal place to select bots that can handle automatic moderation for your Discord servers. As you browse, think about the rules and culture of your community. If you manage a family-friendly space, strong language filters might be a priority. For a fast-growing public server, spam and anti-raid protections may be more important. Look for clear descriptions, active maintenance, and signs the bot is regularly updated. It also helps to check whether a bot offers flexible settings, like adjustable word filters or role-based exceptions, so you can tailor it to your channels. Take note of any permissions a bot typically requires. Moderation tools need certain capabilities, like reading and managing messages, to do their job. It's a good sign when the bot explains why it needs each permission and how those permissions support specific features. If the listing shows ratings or indicates that the bot is verified, that can add confidence that it's well established and widely used. To recap the flow, open Discover using the compass icon, click Apps, go to Moderation and Tools, and select the bots that match your moderation needs. With the right choices, you'll have a safer, smoother server while keeping your workload manageable.